What is employment law? Welcome to Sense Business. Here I make sense of all your business studies. Employment law is a set of rules and regulations that control the relationship between employers and employees at work. These laws are created by the government to make sure people are treated fairly, safely, and legally in the workplace. In simple terms, employment law explains what employers are allowed to do and what employees are entitled to. It protects workers from being treated unfairly and sets standards that businesses must follow. Why employment law exists? Employment law exists to protect employees from unfair treatment, make workplace safe, ensure workers receive fair pay and reasonable working conditions, prevent discrimination, set clear rules for hiring, working, and leaving a job. Without the employment law, businesses could treat workers unfairly, such as paying extremely low wages or firing employees without a valid reason. Examples of employment laws. Here are some common types of employment laws in the UK. Minimum wage. Make sure workers are paid at least a minimum amount per hour. Employers cannot legally pay less than this amount is usually set by the government. Health and safety laws. Employers must provide a safe working environment. For example, factories must provide protective equipment and offices must reduce risks like fire hazards. Anti-discrimination laws. Employers cannot treat employees unfairly because of things like gender, race, religion, disability, and age. This means everyone should have equal opportunity at work. Working hours and conditions. Employment law can limit how many hours someone works and ensures workers get breaks, holidays, and rest periods. Protection from unfair dismissal. Employers must have a valid reason to dismiss someone and follow correct procedures. Why employment law matters to businesses. Businesses must follow employment law because it is legally required. Breaking it can lead to fines, court cases, or damage to reputation. It helps create fair and positive working environment. Following employment law can also improve employee motivation and productivity because workers feel safe and valued. Thank you for watching, and I hope you understand what employment law means. See you on next video. Take care.